Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My Islamic brothers and my Islamic sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Muhammad Saklan and welcome back to our Alham Network channel. Viewers, this channel is dedicated to Islamic videos and I'm honored to have you all join me inshallah. Before watching this video, viewers, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Brothers and sisters, do you know what is the first regret many of the people who die will have? It is that they took the devil as their financial advisor. Viewers, the first thing people will regret. They are the ones who come on the day of judgment begging Allah for another chance to be returned back to life. Why? They can donate and give in charity. Shaytan tricks is that he makes us so concerned of the future whenever we are about to make a donations. He starts bringing us scenario. For example, he says you are someone who is about to get married, so you need to save every dollar, and as for you, then you are expecting a child, and studies have shown that it costs around $230,000 to raise a child until they become 17 years old, and you are still considering to make a donation. Viewers, also your $1,000 donation will not solve the world's hunger problems, and listen, the economy is unstable. So this may just not be the best time for you to donate. Maybe next year, and he is the same Shaytan, the exact same Shaytan, who will show up on Facebook ads and other avenue trying to give us advice to spend our money and buy the most useless things, and his damaging financial advice can be seen all around us. Viewers, therefore, let's take two pieces of financial advice from Allah. Number one, the moment you are about to donate, especially when giving your zakah, but then start having thoughts about the future and become concerned that you may get laid off from work and so on, then cut these thoughts that are coming not from you but are coming from the Shaytan by saying, A'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. Oh Allah, protect me from Shaytan, and Shaytan will run away from you and shut down his financial consulting business. Number two, the promise of Allah that He will give us back not equal to what we give away in donation. That would be pretty awesome, but no, He will give us back more than what we give away. Viewers, there was a man, as the Prophet ﷺ said, who was walking in a desert, and that man heard a sound coming from a cloud. That sound said, rain upon the garden of so and so person, and the cloud took these instructions and started moving. Now that man was shocked of what he heard and decided to follow this cloud. Viewers, so the cloud kept moving and moving until it stopped, and then it rained on a rocky ground. There were so many channels the water can go through. There was this channel and that channel, but all the rains dropped on the specific channel. Allahu Akbar. Viewers, the case is becoming even more intriguing. That man then followed that one channel until he found a person with a shovel clearing way for the water to come to his garden. So the man asked the owner of the garden, what is your name? And the owner of the garden said, my name is so and so, and responded with the same name, which the man heard coming from the cloud. So the owner asked him, why are you asking for my name? And the man said, I heard a sound coming from the cloud, which this water belongs to. That sound said, rain upon the garden of so and so person. What in the world do you do with your money and your garden? Brothers and sisters, the man is shocked. What does this owner do? So that a customized cloud with rain is brought just for him in the middle of the desert. What in the world do you do? The owner said, if that is that case, and of what you heard from the cloud, then I will share with you how I spend my wealth. I donate 1/3 of what he land produced. Allahu Akbar. You really got to appreciate how the first thing he does when he gets his paycheck is put some money aside for charity, and that brother choose to go as far as putting 33%. He very much and had a very high level of trust. May Allah protect us all. Ameen. And then he said, and I spent 1/3 on myself, family and children, and keep the last third for further investment. Brothers and sisters, if we donate, then we will also get a cloud equal to the size of our trust in Allah. Financials advice, our cloud can be an amazing deal when coming to buy a car or protection from some sort of harm. That cloud will come and the blessing will rain upon us. Even if the weather forecast and economy says otherwise, Shaytan is a fraud, whereas Allah is a Razzaq who never breaks his promise. Viewers, may Allah bless you all. Feel free to share this video so other may benefit. Thank you so much for your watching. Keep supporting and stay connected with us.